In the stride towards a greener and more sustainable future, Async has taken a significant step by launching an Indiegogo campaign for their latest innovation, the Async H7XC hybrid electric bicycle. This cutting-edge e-bike promises to redefine the way we commute, offering an exhilarating blend of performance, endurance, and technology that is set to revolutionize the electric bicycle market. At the heart of the Async H7XC lies a 500 watts mid-mounted motor, providing riders with a top assistance speed of 28 miles per hour. What sets this e-bike apart is its sophisticated speed and torque sensors, ensuring a harmonious synchronization between pedaling effort and motor output, creating a seamless riding experience that feels both intuitive and efficient. The H7XC offers a total of 5 assistance modes, allowing riders to fine-tune their experience according to their preferences and terrain. Whether you're conquering city streets or venturing off the beaten path, this e-bike can adapt to your needs. One of the standout features of the H7XC is its impressive range. Powered by a removable 960 watt-hour battery, this e-bike can travel up to 125 miles with pedal assistance. Even if you opt to rely solely on the throttle, you can still cover a respectable 50 miles before needing to recharge. This extended range makes it a compelling choice for long rides and commutes. The Async H7XC boasts a range of components developed to enhance your riding experience. Equipped with a Suntour XCR 120mm air suspension fork, a Shimano DR11S shifter set, and grippy 27.5 by 2.5-inch Maxxis Aggressor tires, this e-bike offers a comfortable and responsive ride, whether you're navigating potholed city streets or taking on rugged trails. The carbon fiber frame and handlebars not only contribute to the bike's sleek aesthetic, but also play a vital role in minimizing vibrations during your rides. The result is a smoother and more enjoyable experience, ensuring that you can focus on the road ahead without unnecessary discomfort. Async has not only put a premium on performance, but has also embraced the digital age. The H7XC can be seamlessly connected to your smartphone, offering a range of app-based functionalities. Features include a digital key, auto unlock, vehicle alarm, cycling data and record, and GPS tracking, which not only enhances security, but also allows you to track your rides, analyze your performance, and share your adventures with ease. Weighing in at approximately 26.3 kilograms, the Async H7XC strikes a perfect balance between durability and portability, making it an ideal choice for urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. For just $3,399, you can pledge your support for the Async H7XC on Indiegogo, securing a chance to own this cutting-edge hybrid electric bicycle. The Async H7XC is not just restricted to a local audience, it's developed to make a global impact. Its original retail price is set at $3,999, but by backing the Indiegogo campaign, you not only secure a substantial discount, but also become part of a movement towards a more sustainable future. One remarkable aspect of the Async H7XC e-bike is the overwhelming support it has received on Indiegogo. The campaign has already surpassed its initial funding target of $5,000, which demonstrates the immense enthusiasm and demand for this innovative electric bicycle. This achievement not only showcases the trust and excitement of early backers, but also signals a strong market demand for eco-friendly transportation options. In conclusion, the Async H7XC hybrid electric bicycle represents a leap forward in e-bike technology. Its impressive range, powerful motor, and intelligent sensors make it a standout choice for those seeking a versatile and eco-friendly mode of transportation. As the Indiegogo campaign gains momentum, it's clear that the H7XC is set to make a significant impact on the electric bicycle market and inspire a new wave of eco-conscious riders. Thank you for watching this video to the end. It means you liked it, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.